In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use numbers columns in Monday.com. Monday.com, fast and easy. Whether you're managing projects, tracking budgets, or just need an efficient way to handle numerical data, understanding how to use numbers columns in Monday.com can streamline your workflow significantly. Let's dive in and explore how you can make the most out of this feature. To begin, let's talk about adding a numbers column. Numbers columns are a versatile component when it comes to organizing and analyzing your data. To add a numbers column, you'll first want to navigate to your chosen board within Monday.com. Once you're there, head over to the menu at the top. You'll see an option for adding new columns. Simply click on this option and from the dropdown, select Numbers Column. This action will add a new column dedicated to numerical entries across your board. Once your numbers column is in place, the next step is to start entering values for each item. You might be using this for tracking budgets, inventory counts, or perhaps team performance metrics. Whatever the case, click on the cell under your numbers column next to the corresponding item and input your numerical data. This step is straightforward but crucial, as entering accurate and organized data is foundational for the analyses you might conduct later. Now, let's explore some practical uses for your numbers column. One of the greatest advantages of using numbers columns is the ability to track budgets, counts, or other metrics effectively. For instance, if you're project planning, perhaps you're tracking expenses. By entering each cost as a value in the numbers column, you create a clear and precise budget overview. Similarly, if you're managing inventory, you can enter stock quantities for each item, which helps in tracking needs and supplies efficiently. But the usefulness of numbers columns doesn't stop there. For those wanting to perform calculations or run more complex data analyses, you can combine numbers columns with formula columns. This is where you can truly unlock powerful integrations within Monday.com. To do this, add a formula column to your board, just like you added the numbers column. With this formula column, you can create calculations based on the data in your numbers columns. This is particularly useful for mathematical functions like summing total expenses or forecasting revenue based on historical data. For instance, if you have a column with product sales and another with unit price, you could use a formula to calculate total revenue instantly. And that's it. With just a few steps, you can seamlessly integrate numbers columns into your Monday.com boards, opening up a world of possibilities for data management and project tracking. I hope this guide helps you make the most of your Monday.com experience, bringing efficiency and clarity to your workflow. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.